Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Pretty Links plugin for affiliate tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing the Pretty Links plugin for affiliate tracking, first, open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on installed plugins to view all your active plugins. Locate the Pretty Links plugin from the list. If you haven't installed it yet, click on Add New and search for Pretty Links using the search bar. Once you find it, click on Install and then activate the plugin. After activation, you will see a new menu item labeled Pretty Links in the left sidebar. Click on Pretty Links to access the plugin settings. You will be redirected to the Pretty Links dashboard. Look for the Settings tab within the Pretty Links menu. Click on Settings to access the configuration options. In the settings, you will see a section for authorization. To authorize Pretty Links, you will need an API key. If you don't have an API key yet, go to the Pretty Links website and sign up for an account. After signing up, log into your account to retrieve your API key. Copy the API key you obtained from the Pretty Links website. Return to your WordPress dashboard and paste the API key into the designated field in the settings. Double-check that you have pasted the key correctly without any extra spaces. Once the key is entered, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the settings page. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates your Pretty Links plugin has been successfully authorized. You can now begin creating affiliate links using the Pretty Links plugin. To create a new link, go back to the dashboard and click on Add New under the Pretty Links menu. Fill in the required details, including the target URL and the link slug. Once you've entered all the information, click on the Create button to finalize the link. Your new affiliate link is now ready for tracking and use. You can manage and monitor all your affiliate links from the Pretty Links dashboard. With this, you have successfully authorized the Pretty Links plugin for affiliate tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.